Hey there! Check out the Dollox VR Stand, a perfect display and storage solution for your VR headset. It's widely compatible with Oculus Quest 2, Quest 3, Rift S, Valve Index, HTC Vive, and more. Assembly is easy and tool-free, taking just 5 simple steps to protect your headset without touching the lenses. This stand keeps your desktop tidy by holding not only headsets and controllers, but also headphones and cables. Made from durable ABS material, its triangular base design provides excellent stability and protection. Measuring 12 by 12 by 7 inches, it offers a sturdy and convenient way to organize your VR gear. Plus, it comes with a clear manual to guide you through setup. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.